Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over at AxieZilla. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. I know I was getting a lot of questions about different projects on the BNB network. I promote a lot of different projects that are on the Ethereum network, but there are other contracts out there on different smart chain networks such as the Binance smart chain network, and you can find different projects similar to the ones that are ERC20 tokens, but like I said, they on the Binance network, so you will have to get it on like Pancakeswap. This token was just brought to my attention, AxieZilla, right? You can go to the DEX tools, and it's fairly new, right? It just got started at the beginning of November. It looks like the market cap is only at 493,000, right? It has a very healthy liquidity, this project, so it looks pretty good. If we stroll down, you earn passive income in AXS, right? As you hold this token, they also are releasing a play to earn game, right? 3% reward, so this is one of the best rewards I've seen so far. It's better than even say Tama. 4% goes to marketing, 3% goes back to the liquidity pool, so that's good. This project, like I said, it got a real healthy liquidity, so this project, it's gonna be stable. I feel like in the long run, if you were to invest in this project. Now, if you look at the roadmap, you will see right now it's going through the pre-sales, the launch stage. They're getting 1,000 holders. Let's see. Yeah, right now they at 1,300 holders, right? Pancakeswap launch. Again, you have to buy this on Pancakeswap. You interact with Pancakeswap through Trust Wallet. You can have a Trust Wallet and you can interact. They also going through an audit, already listed on CoinMarketCap. And the expansion phase, they will release the retro AxieZilla game, right? Also 100 different NFTs, DEX listings, and the Zilla swap. So yeah, this project looked pretty good. It looked real healthy. I'm gonna keep my eye on this project, see how they grow over time. I am putting money into this project. I'm gonna put 500 into this project to see what it does over time. But yeah, it's your boy Yon World. If y'all was looking for a project on the Binance smart chain network, y'all should look at AxieZilla, right? New project, low market cap. You can get in, you can get a lot of shares, and you can have a nice position, right? So yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications.